Want to make money with ChatGPT? In the next few minutes, I'll show you simple, realistic ways you can start today, even if you have zero experience. First, offer services. Businesses constantly need content: blog posts, emails, social media captions, product descriptions, ad copy, and scripts. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and draft high quality content in minutes. Then you polish it, add your human touch, and deliver it to clients. Platforms like freelancing sites or even cold outreach on social media can land you your first customer. Second, create and sell digital products. Use ChatGPT to help you write ebooks, build mini courses, design workout plans, meal guides, budgeting templates, or even niche prompt packs. Once created, you can sell them over and over again. That's scalable income. Third, start a content channel. You can launch a faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram page. Let ChatGPT generate video ideas, write scripts, and help structure your content. Combine it with AI voiceovers and stock footage, and you can produce videos consistently without ever showing your face. You can also use ChatGPT for research, business ideas, marketing strategies, and automating repetitive tasks. The more you treat it like a productivity partner instead of a toy, the more money-making opportunities you'll see. The key is simple. Don't use ChatGPT just to scroll and consume. Use it to create, solve problems, and provide value. That's how you turn artificial intelligence into real income. Start small, stay consistent, and let AI multiply your effort.